I bought a Dyson vacuum cleaner today. It's my second one, and I went with another one because the first one lasted a good 10 years. This one's called the Dyson Ball. It's a little bit heavy, but other than that, seems to be a great vacuum cleaner. Question though, does anybody else have one of these or something similar? Because when you take it down, it makes a really loud noise. Then when you push it up, you gotta really make sure you're pushing it up pretty firm or else it won't stay. I looked on YouTube, but I didn't see anything about it. Is this a thing?